We crossed the lake from Luanda Kotieno using the ferry to Mbeta on a tour of Suba North and Suba South constituencies in Homa Bay. We had very successful trips in Suba South and Suba North. When we got to Mbeta, unfortunately, there were some goons who were sent there to try and stop us from getting into the town. The members of the public dealt with them and were able to go into the town, Mbeta, and then Rusinga. We crossed the bridge to Rusinga. We had a very, very good meeting with the people in Rusinga. We came back to Mbeta. We had a very, very good meeting with people in Mbeta. Turnout was very large. I was very happy, particularly when you see women, particularly market women, turning up, leaving their wares and their boggers in the market to come and listen to what we were saying. After the meeting in Mbeta, we proceeded to see Sindo in Suba South. We had a few stops on the way to Sindo. And again in Sindo, there were plans to try and disrupt our visit to Sindo. There were tires lit on the road and goons placed on the road to Sindo. Happily, the members of the public in Sindo dealt with them, and we were able to address a very, very large rally in Sindo. I've gone to Sindo many times before, even with our departed hero, Raila Amolo Odinga. I was amazed by the turnout today in Sindo. Earlier, one of us, civilizer here, was hit very badly on the head. Here it is still swollen. He went for first aid, but he insisted that we go to Sindo, and we're happy that our message was well received in Sindo. Of course, we are talking about the party, that the party must remain with the members and with the people, and that the Linda Ground people have sold our party to President Ruto as a tool for him to manipulate politics in lowland, in western, and in the coast, and other areas where ODM is very strong. On the way back, because we intended to come back to Kisumu, tomorrow we are attending a funeral of a very honorable Mzee in Bungoma, who was once nominated to Parliament, courtesy of Raila Amolo Odinga.